Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign with AI for lead nurturing workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create an Automation button to start a new workflow. Select the Start from Scratch option for more customization. Give your automation a descriptive name, such as AI Lead Nurturing Workflow. Click on Create to proceed to the automation canvas. On the canvas, choose the trigger for your workflow. After setting the trigger, click Add Start. Next, add an if/else condition to segment your leads. Consider segmenting based on lead score, engagement level, or specific interests. Click on plus add a condition to define your criteria. After setting the condition, determine the actions for both paths. For leads that meet the condition, consider sending personalized content. For those who don't, you might opt for a different follow-up message. To incorporate AI, add a send email action. Choose Create a new email and give it a compelling subject line. In the email editor, utilize dynamic content to personalize the message. Implement AI-generated insights for the best content suggestions. For instance, suggest products or services based on previous interactions. Next, set up a delay if you want to space out follow-up emails. You can use the wait action to add a delay of a few days. After the wait period, consider adding another if/else condition. This condition can assess the recipient's engagement with your previous email. Leverage AI tools to analyze open and click rates for better targeting. Based on the engagement, customize the next action in your workflow. For engaged leads, you could send additional resources or offer a consultation. For less engaged leads, a different approach may help rekindle interest. Finally, review your entire workflow for any adjustments. Ensure all actions align with your lead nurturing goals. Once satisfied, click Activate to put your automation into action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.